Meaning of experiential.
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 Experiential. The term experiential refers to something that is based on personal experience or observation, rather than mere theory or speculation. It describes a type of learning that involves actively engaging in activities and reflecting on the outcomes to gain deeper understanding. In other words, it's learning by doing. Experiential education has been shown to be effective in enhancing problem-solving skills, critical thinking abilities, and overall learning retention. By providing hands-on experiences, learners can connect with materials on a deeper level, leading to more meaningful and lasting learning outcomes.